Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to continue the tactical engagement, or I should say I'm going to edit this file and add a new package there. So the last time I was in the Eurofighter. Let's go for the Tomcat. I'd like to select this F-14B. Just a single aircraft, training mission. Where is the training? The last one, okay. Save. Saved. Exit. Okay, let's see how the mighty Tomcat looks like. Okay, steer points just around the sole. Let's check out the air-to-air. So there is the A variant of the Phoenix, which was basically the Fox 1 missile. Without any active seeker. Then the AIM-54C Phoenix came into the operational usage. Okay, I'm gonna fly this skin definitely, which was the Fox 3 already. Basically also the AIM-7 AIM Sparrows, which were basically the predecessor of the AMRAAMs. These are the Fox 1 missile as well, but I'm gonna fly with let's say 4 Phoenix missiles and also the M variant of the Sidewinder, which is the all aspect ratio missile. You are also able to carry some laser guided trainings, these BDUs. These are the trainings bobs with just the laser seeker, like the Eurofighter was able to, but also the normal GBUs as well for the ground operations. GBUs, Rakais, some Mark 82s, the standard one, Mark 83s, and it should be also Mark 84, the biggest one. Okay, and that's it. You are able to carry them just under your fuselage between the engines. Okay, so let's go for the air-to-air. I'm gonna pick up this C Phoenix missiles. Maybe you should also take these fuel tanks as well under the engines. That's the typical position, but I'm gonna fly without them just to make like the aircraft lighter a little bit. Okay, so that's it. I'm in. Let's go for the takeoff. Okay, this would be really interesting. I'm curious whether this will be whether the F-14 will have like own cockpit or F-16 cockpit, but probably there will be own F-16 cockpit, F-14. So I might struggle a little bit in it, but I don't need to use any radar, any weapons. So just flying around, just to see how this big beautiful cat performs in the air. Okay, let's see how it goes. No, it's the F-16 cockpit, but I can already see that I'm sitting very high when comparing to F-16. Definitely way higher than I used to. So just the position of the view or of the cockpit is different. Okay. Very beautiful aircraft, very beautiful skin, I have to say. All the designs of the aircrafts in this BMS looks perfectly. I like them. It's looking really nice. I have to admit that. Air brakes, it's just a flat, there's like no texture inside. Okay, let's go. Perfect control of the aircraft. I'm really happy that it's using the F-16 cockpit, so I can maybe use it. I just need to jump into the BMS, and I want to use this maybe the F-16s, F-14. Sorry, still confusing by the F-16 and F-14. Why it's there like reduced speed or reduced speed? Blinking my head-up display. So my swapping back, which is great. 350 knots. Let's level up. 15,000. Okay, my wings should be already completely. Okay, still not supersonic. Right? Okay, already supersonic, already sold. Wow, that's a beautiful. That is so great. One of the best looking aircrafts ever, probably. Such amazing shape. And I like how How quiet it is when you are supersonic. Now I'm not anymore. Pilots looks like okay. You can see the pilot inside. Definitely some red textures there. Also the seat doesn't look correctly. Other than that, time to find the air. Okay, to reduce the speed. I don't want to break any windows here. Okay, below the speed of sound. Okay, engine on idle. Let's go back to the airfield.
Warning.
I didn't set the differential thrust for the engines, so I'm controlling both engines with just one throttle. It would be ideal to see how the aircraft performs while a differential thrust on the engines. I think it's very well simulated in the BMS. I was using that before already. It was very nice. 120 almost. Wow, what a shadow on the ground. Okay, we have a nice bridge here. Should I try it or not? I don't know. Let me see how high it is. Okay, I think it's possible. So I'm gonna try it. Famous last words again, so hold my beer. There is a nice bridge here. Where is the bridge? Is it this one? Okay, I'm too close to it.